Today we will show you this mini house. Look at this, it's so small. In comparison to my hand, it's really a mini house. And we built it using really small parts. It took us some days, and this is a really nice activity. The whole family can collaborate. Every member of the family, kids and parents, can build some parts and bring them together. Look at this. It has so many details inside of each room. And it also has really nice lights. We enjoyed this activity, and if anyone is interested in knowing how it was built, we will post you all the steps we followed. For this we used a silicone glue, which turned out to be really nice glue because it acts quickly and helps to quickly fasten and mount small details, and also a regular paper glue helped in some occasions as well. And we use this trick here. We just filled in the pool with the silicone glue and it looks really nice. This house came with this manual, and as you can see, there's a lot of things you will need to do. You will need to glue some paper to some wooden parts. So there's wood, textile and paper parts to make even cakes and furniture, and also some lights that you will need to mount to make this beautiful thing. It's a really enjoying activity for the whole family if you like building this kind of stuff, but it also needs patience, and you don't need to make all these small details. You may choose only some of them.